I'm here. You said you don't want to come here.
Well, I've come down if I can see.
Come here. I'm here.
I can't see down here.
It's okay, come here now.
I'm walking on here.
Where's your glasses?
Oh, you can see good. Let's climb over the fence. That's a good view from here. There's the lake. The reservoir. Partly green. That's the city. That's Castle Vale over there. The airport's over that way. Oh, it's fine.
What is that big one, baby? Lights, baby.
Cars, is it?
Huh?
Oh, the big lights over there?
Yeah.
That's the city. That's Birmingham City. City centre. All the high buildings got the lights on them. Oh, there, look. Oh, you missed it. Oh, what's that? The fire at the ambulance. This big one's coming over there, look. And there. Yeah. Oh, that's a big one.
Don't stand on there, George. No.
I don't know, let the kids.
Yeah.
No, it's alright. It's alright. You have enough. Oh, okay. You're welcome.
This is an unusual bonfire.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.